never landed it. Okay. They're cheating. Woo! I'm doing
Hi, it's Lena.
And Daddy.
And welcome back to the
Lady Show.
Today we're going to be doing some trampoline tricks.
I just failed my front handspring. I don't know if you can see that, but whatever. And then, so we're going to show you some tricks that we can do on a trampoline.
So first we're going to start off easy. Addie, go.
Oh, this is going to be easy. I think everyone can do this.
Okay, now I'll do the same thing. And now I'm going to pick one and then you do the same thing. And you pick.
Yeah, so that's how it's going to go, people.
Okay, so next thing, I'm just going to do this. You, that moth.
Oh, there's a moth right there. Show the camera.
Well, I threw it and it flew in the clay. Okay.
It was like this big.
Okay, ready?
Okay. So. Oh, do I make it? Can I do it more than once or just once?
Just once.
Okay. Yeah, I know. I do it. I call it jump.
Yeah. Okay, now you choose one.
In gymnastics. Okay. Oh, this is easy. It's a little hard, but I think some people can do it. Yeah. It's sort of a front handspring, but you land on your back.
I kind of landed on my butt, but
Whatever.
I kind of landed on the butt. Okay, ready?
Don't do it like bungee jump because that's way too easy. So don't do that. Oh, do I have to land it? Oh yeah, I can land it on this trampoline. I have a trampoline that's not even bouncy. And whatever. I still landed it like on my feet, but I just fell back.
Yeah.
I almost landed my handspring like
Now
that.
you choose. You can do handspring.
How? Can you do a front handspring? I can't do backwards.
And then after the stuff that you can't do, because I can do more stuff than you, then we'll just like show some tricks that we like to do.
Okay. So this is like a roundup, but it's a jumping cartwheel, and it's more easy. I like to do this thing now. Oh, okay.
I'm gonna do.
Ooh, sweet.
Now you choose.
See,
I know this stuff is too tough like a bum drop.
no, that's not what I'm doing. How about let's not do easy. Let's not go easy to hard, because sometimes we go out of order. But right now, the roundup. Too easy.
Jumping roundup or this roundup?
Something. That way happened here?
No.
Okay, good. Okay, do a normal one.
No, I'm gonna do. I don't know if you can do this. You probably can't. But I think you can do. Okay, back over. I can bounce a little too. It's just like a front handspring, but your legs are kind of hard. Oh, like that was really close.
Here, I want to try it one more time.
Okay.
I can do it, but I can do it. I just need, I can do like the rest. I just can't get up.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Mwah.
girl in my gymnastics. She walks like,
Not me. I'm not sure the way her name is.
okay,
Okay.
go. You choose now. Round up again?
Yeah, but
Again?
we're not jumping.
Not a bounce? Okay.
It's just a round off. Okay, now watch it. Kind of hard.
Okay.
What?
Now I'm gonna be getting a little harder. I know you can't do this, but you can just do like a front handspring or something. Okay, you can see.
I'll try doing it, but
No, don't. You'll break your neck.
oh, it's a back handspring.
That's so bad. Let me do that.
Yeah, she's doing it again.
I can do it without the swing. Ow! My necklace came up and like hit me in the tooth.
Oh yeah, let's show them. So we dance, and we have the same necklaces, and our necklaces both say dance. After we're done with this,
And sparkle ball earrings too.
yeah, after we're done with this, we'll show you in better,
Yeah, well,
because we're kind of far away now.
we'll do our outro.
Okay.
You choose now. Or you can just do whatever you want and then you choose. Now we can just show.
Since she did a back handspring, I'm going to do the opposite front handspring, but
Yeah.
because I can't do that, I'm still working on it.
Yeah.
I can put my hands to the ground, I just can't land it.
If you want, you can just fall into a bridge and try and tip over.
Oh, that happened to me. I'm like, ooh, I did it on the ground. I'm like, and it's like, fell on my neck. I'm like, going to do.
Okay, now I'll show another trick of mine.
No, I don't have to make up one now.
Oh, word. Now we'll just show like some of the tricks we can do. I think our favorite ones.
We can do a backflip.
Which they saw at the beginning of the video. And I can do a standing backflip too.
What's that?
Like where I don't jump.
Oh, yeah. That was kind of a jump, but not as a...
Yeah, I just like spring off. Okay, ready? I'll try this
Well,
one.
or you're not going to land. It's going to be a somersault. Oh, feel like...
That was like no bounce, so I can do it. Oh no!
Okay, sorry, our camera is just falling right now. So
I think that's like a good place to end. Come down, Addie.
Wait. But I don't want to end. This is a fun video.
Okay, so that's it for our trampoline video. We hope that you enjoyed the video, and the lady show is out. It won't stop. What the heck?